I'm RJ Kinisha, grade 6 from Primbats Garden School. This is the message from Savitri by Aurobindo. There he could enter, there I will abide. A voyager upon uncharted routes, fronting the viewless danger of the unknown. Adventuring across enormous realms, he broke into another space and time. Thank you. Bye.
Hi, hello, buddies. Now Larzi Dikshita, grade 6B from Broombats Garden School. Today's Karmayogi Appa message. Lack of precision in physical work, like numbering, is an indication that the psychology organization at the physical level has not acquired a form that can be forceful. Thank you. Bye.
Hello everyone, I am your Ajay Jashwan, grade 4B from Brahmach Garden School. In this show, we are going to see some logical question and answer. I come in many colors, so beautiful and bright. I turn homes into a beautiful sight. What am I? Answer: Christmas lights and next வாங்க விடுகதை. என் மேல நிறைய புலிகள் உள்ள சிவப்பு. நான் யார்? யோசிங்க பார்க்கலாம். பதில்: ஸ்ட்ராபெரி. Thank you.